So it's currently Monday. Okay, it's currently Monday, the 10th of June, 2024, and we're coming to a new trading week. Now, what I would expect for GU for the coming week now? Looking at GU, you can see that GU, okay, was in some kind of downtrend. Let's look at the monthly time frame. Okay, so you can see GU is like in downtrend, currently an uptrend. Okay, and looking at the weekly, you can clearly see that we are making higher lows, higher lows. Okay, now let's go down to the closest PA. Now looking at this, you can see that last week we had one spike, two spike, three spike through 127,500, which is a clear indication that the market is rejecting this region. And of course, just this candle, as you can see, closed below 27,500 as a seller's candle, which indicates that there are more selling momentum uh, than buy momentum. Excuse me, guys. So let's break that down on the daily. And on the daily, you can clearly see the daily is making higher high, higher low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We had like a support area here. Now the higher low on the lower time frames, and then a break of structure. Now we haven't broken the daily structure here because price still has all the way down here on the daily time frame to break structure. Okay, so if we were to draw a Fibonacci, it would be like something like this. Okay, so the market still has down here to break before we know, okay, the daily has not changed direction or trend. Now for the 4 hourly, we can clearly see that the 4 hourly obviously had a slow break of structure last week, and also for the zone. So you can see we closed below this trend line area of support, which then tells us that, okay, you know what, the 4 hour will be having a major kind of pullback. So an opportunity for this pair, okay, currently could be price retracing back into 27,500 and then dropping back into this 100% level area of 26875 on the daily time frame. Why did I say that? Because we already know the momentum from last week was a selling momentum. If you look at Friday's close last week, you can see how big that bearish candle was, engulfing one, two, three, four of the previous trading days, which means there was enough selling volume to actually push price this to this degree. Okay, so look at the 4 hourly. We've seen the 4 hourly had a a higher low, came back, tapped into this high. Okay, for me, this is some sort of a double top. So you can see, if break that down on the 1 hourly, we can see more clearly how that looks like on the 1 hourly. So right here, we can see that one top, two top at 28125. Now price now broke the trend line, so we could be expecting a retrace, okay, for a lower high on the 4 hourly. Remember, structure is only done on the 4 hourly. So right here, this could be the setup. Okay, so you can see 38.2 correlates with the 27500 daily region and the trend line area of resistance. So just like what I drew here, we could retest this area, okay, and then look for a push. Now my first target area would be here. Why? Because the daily structure Okay, now we're seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, even though the 4 hour structure broke on that time frame, daily structure hasn't broken, so we still have a maximum of here to retrace. So price could just retest, dip back into this region here, and then continues its move up, or we have to wait for the market to decide if it's going to break or continue to move up. So that's just that for GU, what I'm looking into on GU this week. And don't forget, guys, just like last week, bias could change. Okay, so nice Ferrari there. Bias could change, so we just have to flow with the market. There's no need to force our direction of the market. This analysis now simply states that okay, if price comes to 27500, we could see a short opportunity. So I'll check up with you guys and see how this particular one plays out for the day or the week.